Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you this website that will allow you to make from $1 to $80 plus. So all you just have to do, just watch this video and you are going to see the review of this website. This is the website which is called Freecash. This website will allow you to do a bunch of things: downloading application, taking surveys, watching videos, completing captchas. You get paid by just doing all these so simple things. And what is good is that you can see that you can even download like Netflix app, TikTok, and other applications that you are using every single day. You can download them from this platform, which is Freecash, and you will earn money in return. So you are going to be making up our $1 to $80 by just doing all these tasks. So just pay attention to everything that will be said on this video, because that is how you are going to know how you can use this website to accumulate money online. If it's something you want, at the end of this video you can decide on that. So just keep on watching. Let us go through the review and how you can use it to make money online. So the first thing you have to do is to register on this platform. But before you register, you can just look through the website and see if it's a good platform that you want to start using to make money online. As you can see on Trustpilot, they have about 44,000 review and 293 reviews. And that is what they have on Trustpilot. That is what they are showing us here. You just need to look through that and see if it's a website that you want to really start using to make some free cash online. So let me show you now how to register on this platform. The first thing you need to do, so how to register on this platform, the first thing you need to do is to click on the sign up button. So once I click on the sign up button, it's going to bring us here, and you are going to be seeing all this whole bunch of things that you can see here. But if you want, you can click the first link in the description so that you will get some earning from me and I will get some earning from you, which is a win-win from each other. You can use my link, the first link in the description, to join this program. So how to register? The first thing you have to do, enter your email here, your username and your password. Type your password here, accept the terms and conditions. If you have read it, make sure you read the terms and conditions and terms of use or terms of service, because it's very important for you to know if the website is taking your information that you enter or not. So once you have agreed to the terms of condition, all you just need to do is to click on the sign me up or sign up button, and it's going to sign you up, and you are going to go click on the email they are going to send to you for a verification. Once you verify your account, then you are good to go to sign into the website, which is called Freecash, and start using it to make money online. So let me log into my own account that I've created for the purpose of this video. So as you can see guys, my account have opened, and once your account open, this is how it will look from the computer or from your laptop. This is how it will look. So you can see how the page look here, and you can see offers. Those are offers where it said futures. Those are offers that you can complete, and each one you complete, you are going to receive the money that you are seeing. You can see the price that they are telling you that you are going to earn from each one of these tasks that you complete. You can see this one: $129, $84, $84, $33, $37, $2, $34, $1.20. So it keeps on going like that. They have multiple offers. So all you just need to do is to pick an offer that fit what you want to start doing. And once you fit what they are telling you to do, or once you complete what they are telling you to do on that particular offer you are trying to complete, you are going to make money. And what is good is that you can use this in multiple devices. You can see that you can use it from Android, iOS, and desktop. So this is a good way of accumulating real money online, which means, let us say you are traveling, you don't have your computer with you, you can do it from your smartphone, which is a good thing. Let us say we want to complete any task. What you just have to do is, let us say I want to do this TikTok task. I want to make $2 now. If I click on it, it's going to give us a pop-up tab, and this pop-up tab is going to tell us what we have to do so that we can make this $2. So what we have to do is to go and follow the destination of this mobile URL, and we are going to download this application TikTok and complete exactly what they are telling us to do. You can see it's a open app and register with a valid information, redeem your point, new user only. So they want new user, people who have never used TikTok, to go and download TikTok, create their account, enter their valid information, and start earning some points on TikTok. And by doing that, they are going to earn $2 on this platform, which is called Freecash. So the money, they are going to pay you this $2 on your Freecash app, and you can decide if you want to cash it out or you can keep on making money with this strategy. So it works in the same way with all these old platforms too. You can see these ones here. Let us say, for example, I want to make this $84. All I need to do is to scroll down and read through what I need to do to be able to earn this money. So what you have to do is to complete each task of this game. So if you are able to complete each task of this game, then you are going to earn this $84. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. Let us say we scroll down here. You can see other ways that you can start using to make money online, like taking surveys. Let us say we want to take surveys and earn money. All we need to do is to use one of all these survey task app, and at the end of the day we are going to find ourselves using them to earn money. Let us say we want to use this ad gem. What if I click on it now? It's going to open up and it's going to show us multiple strategies, ways that we can use to earn money online. You can see that by downloading this TikTok app, we are going to earn $2, and by using this application, which is called Random TD, we are going to earn $5. So it keeps on going like that. All we just need to do is to follow the instruction of what they are telling us to do, and we are going to start using it to accumulate real money online. When I'm looking at this application, this is a good way of accumulating real money online, like making real cash online. So it's not like other websites like Price Label, GrabPoint that pay you lesser amount of money. This platform is one of the applications now that is paying high commission. I have not really used it to see if they are really legit, so I want you to leave me a comment in the comment section if you use this application to start making money online. And what is good is that they have a bunch of things that you can do on this platform to make money online. It just depends on you to choose what you have to use to start making money online. If you click on these offers here, it's going to show you multiple categories of the things that you want to start using. Let us say you want to complete quiz. If I click on the quiz tab, it's going to pop up and it's going to show us a quiz apps that we can use to make money online, and a lot of other applications that you can see here and download and start using them, and you are going to make money by just following the step-by-step guide of what they are telling you to do. So that is what I want to show you concerning how you can use it to make money online. And more you are using this application, more you can discover more strategy that you can use to make money with this application, because more you are using it, more you are learning and mastering it, and you can start using it to make real money online. So that is what I want to talk about. And the second way that you can use to make money from this website is the referral program. So how you can join the affiliate program, start referring people. That is why I say you should use my referral link, so that we can be making money from each other. So if you use my referral link, I think I will be making percentage from any amount you earn. So if I click on this affiliate tab here, it's going to pop this up, letting me to know that I'm going to earn 5% for anyone I refer to this program. And once I have referred anyone, I will click on claim anytime I have amount here to claim into my own account. So let us say, for example, I want to refer people. I just need to copy this, my affiliate link, go and share it with my audience. Anyone that click on it, I will earn money. And what I see that is still good on this earning method is that they have a level. More people you refer, more your earning potential is increasing. You can see from 5% to 6% to 7% to 8% to 9% to 10% up to 30% commission. More you refer people, more you'll be in a chance of accumulating more money with this website, which is called Freecash. So that is what I need to talk about on this video, guys. And what I want to talk now again is how you can cash out. So how can you cash out your money? Let us say you have the minimum amount of cashing out. How can you cash your money out? What you have to do, click on this part where it says cash out. So once you click on the cash out button, it's going to open this up, showing you ways that you can use to cash out your money out. You can see you can cash out your money with PayPal, Bitcoin, Stake, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and many more ways that you can use to cash out your money. If you scroll down here, you can see like Amazon, Visa, Google Play, Apple, and you can see Netflix, you can see Spotify, Zalando, Steam, Xbox Live. If you have $1, you can cash the money into your own account. So that is everything I want to talk about, guys. And one thing I want to talk again here, let us say if I click on this end tab, you will see that it will show me multiple ways that I can use to make money online. But let us say maybe in your own country you are not seeing a multiple strategy, multiple ways that you can use to make money online like this. It means that it's because of the country where you are. So depending on the country where you are, that is how you find multiple offers that you can complete, because all these offers is from each country. So let us say the country where I am now is because it's a European country, so they have multiple offers. People asking, looking for people to complete all these tasks for them, do all this job for them. So they put it on this platform which is called Freecash. Then people like me and you are going to go complete them, and we are going to earn money by doing all those tasks that they put on this program. So that is how this business work, and that is how you can use it to make this type of money. That is everything I want to talk about on this video, guys. And everything that you are seeing on top here are people who have been receiving their cash out, people who is receiving money, people who is using this platform to make money online. That is what you are seeing here at the top of this scrolling part here. You can see everything is live. All the money that is transaction that is going on, everything is popping up here because they want you to see the proof that people are making money with this platform. So that is it, guys. With that being said, I will say thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Honestly, for me to you, this is a way that you can use to accumulate money online. This is not a life-changing way that you can use to make real money online. But if you want to make money with affiliate program, you can watch this video that will pop up right now that will show you step by step how you can make money online by promoting affiliate program and make good amount of money in return. I will see you on my next upcoming video.